Hi. Now we are coming to Hi. Now let us talk about the most important topic in Ethereum blockchain, that is smart contract. Let's see what it is. So if we talk about smart contract, what is a smart contract? A smart contract is simply a program written on Ethereum blockchain. So just like you write program in C, C++, Java, Python, right? You write programs in the same way, you write programs for the Ethereum blockchain, and those programs are actually called as a smart contract. What? Yes, it is true. Smart contracts are nothing but simply programs. Now you must be wondering that why do we call them a smart contract if they are simply programs? Actually, the thing with a smart contract is that in a smart contract you write logics. Like you have that logics like if this will happen, then this will happen. If this will happen, then this will happen. So it is just like a contract, right? Where you are writing some if and else statement, where you are stating certain rules that if this will happen, then this will happen. If this will happen, then this will happen. So because of this, I think the name was given as a smart contract. Otherwise, smart contracts are simply programs that are written on Ethereum blockchain. Nothing else, nothing more. Now let us talk about one important thing about smart contract. That if we talk about Ethereum blockchain, we have the functionality of writing programs, that is a smart contract. But if we talk about Bitcoin, we do not have any functionality of writing smart contracts on Bitcoin blockchain. Why this is so? Let us answer this question. If we talk about Bitcoin blockchain, the programming language that is used in order to create our Bitcoin blockchain is Bitcoin script. And the programming language that we are using in order to create our smart contract is Solidity. It is a very popular programming language for the Ethereum blockchain. You might have heard this name, Solidity. And we use this programming language in order to write programs on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the thing with Bitcoin script is that Bitcoin script is not Turing complete, while our Solidity programming language is Turing complete. Now, what do I mean by not Turing complete and Turing complete? So, when I say Turing complete means that you can code any form of logic that you can think. So, whatever you can think, you can code in Solidity programming language. While in case of Bitcoin script, that's not the case. You cannot write all the programs that you can think. And the reason for this is that Bitcoin script does not support loops, while Solidity programming language support loops. And that's the reason Ethereum blockchain supports programs. Means you can write programs on Ethereum blockchain, but you cannot write programs on Bitcoin blockchain because Bitcoin blockchain is using Bitcoin script, which is not Turing complete. Means you cannot write loops on Bitcoin script. And since you cannot write loops on Bitcoin script, you cannot code any form of program that you can think, right? And now you must be wondering, like, why Satoshi Nakamoto will do that? Why Satoshi Nakamoto used a programming language that is not Turing complete? Why not any other programming language that is Turing complete? And the reason is very simple, guys. At the time when Satoshi Nakamoto was developing this Bitcoin blockchain, he thought of a problem. And the problem was actually real. The problem was that, let's say, Bitcoin is providing you facility to write programs on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so let's say this is a program that I have created using Bitcoin blockchain, and now I'm trying to run this program on the Bitcoin blockchain. So these are the participants that are connected with each other, and they are forming the Bitcoin blockchain. So definitely they will be having their blockchains, and everything will be there. Now, the problem is that when we will run a program on this Bitcoin blockchain, the same program will run on each of the computers, or I will say in each of the nodes that are part of this Bitcoin blockchain. Because if we talk about Bitcoin, right, we have seen, right, that blockchain is a distributed immutable ledger. So this program that we will be writing will be a part of our Bitcoin blockchain. So this will also get distributed all across the network. So if it will get distributed all over the network, so the same program will be running on each and every system. Now the problem is that if this program consists of an infinite loop, then what will happen? If this program will consist of an infinite loop, then this infinite loop program will run on each and every system. And the thing is, nobody can stop these programs. Why? Because in Bitcoin blockchain, we do not have any central authority. And since we do not have any central authority, nobody can control these programs. Nobody can stop this program. And this will totally destroy the Bitcoin blockchain, right? Because these programs will keep on running, and they will slow down the network, and Bitcoin blockchain will collapse. So this was the problem when Satoshi Nakamoto was designing Bitcoin blockchain. Now you must think, like, then how Ethereum is able to do that, right? Because as we can clearly see on this screen that we cannot have programs running on blockchain, because if we are running a program running on blockchain and if the program consists of a loop, then this program will be running continuously all over the network, and this will totally destroy the network. So what Vitalik Buterin thought, that definitely we will have a smart contract in this transactions field, because we have different transactions, right? We want to send ether, we want to receive ether, all these things will be there, but we will also be having smart contracts, right, in this blockchain, in this Ethereum blockchain. So what he said that, okay, you can write smart contracts, you can write programs on Ethereum blockchain, but you need to pay for every single line of code that you are running on this program. This is the beauty of Ethereum blockchain. Just imagine what he is thinking, what he actually thought actually. That when you will create programs, you will be able to you will be able to write code, whatever code you want to write, you can do that. But for every single line of code that is executing on the Ethereum blockchain, you need to pay money. And this is done using gas, which we will talk about in our upcoming video. But this is how Vitalik Buterin stopped this infinite loop concept. Because if a person is running an infinite loop, then he will be exhausting all his money that he is having in his Ethereum account balance, right? So nobody wants that, right? Nobody want to exhaust their money. And this is how Ethereum stopped this infinite loop problem. Definitely other measures were also done, but this is one of the beautiful thing that Vitalik Buterin thought, so that he can stop this infinite loop programs in the Ethereum blockchain. And that's why now we can run programs on so many systems. I mean, when a program is running, it is running on so many different systems without collapsing the Ethereum blockchain. Because if someone tries to collapse that, he has to exhaust with all his money, and nobody can have infinite money in his account, right? You can have some, let's say 1 crore, 2 crore, or let's say 100 crore, but at one point of time your money will get exhausted, right? And that's how Ethereum blockchain is, you know much more ahead of the hackers and the scammers, I will say. So that's why we are able to run programs on the Ethereum blockchain, and that's why we are not able to run programs on the Bitcoin blockchain. And this is very important interview question also. So remember this concept. This is very important and might be asked in your interviews. So I hope you liked this video. If you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm regularly going to upload new blockchain courses on this channel. If you want to connect, you can connect with me on Instagram. I am available there. And if you want to join our blockchain developer community, links are given in the description. You can join the Discord blockchain developer community. You are most welcome. And if you have any doubts, please do not forget to comment below this video. I'm active here, and I will definitely try to answer your query. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.